In the wild, cooking can be a challenge, but with the right skills, it's completely manageable. Start by identifying a suitable cooking area, ideally far from your shelter. Gather dry wood for fuel and set up a makeshift fire pit to minimize risks. Use natural materials like stones to create a stable surface for your cooking pots. In a pinch, you can even improvise utensils from branches and leaves. Remember, in real-life situations, maintaining a consistent cooking temperature is key, so build your fire wisely and always prioritize safety. With practice, you'll find cooking outdoors can be not just rewarding, but a vital survival skill.